I got two apps that you need to have downloaded to your phone. They both can make you up to $2,500 per week. If you like to make quick, fast, easy cash, this video is for you. The first one, you will be helping out with small moves, small deliveries. The second one, all you will be doing is taking someone garbage can or recycling can out to the front street and then bringing it back. So let's get into the video. The first one is pretty much a gig app, most like what I talk about here on this channel. I'm not sure if you have seen this app before, but I'm bringing it to you guys' attention. The second app, I'm pretty sure you may have not seen it. No one else is talking about the second one. I haven't seen not one YouTuber on the internet talking about the second one. So let's get into this first one. The first one is pretty much Lug, moving and delivery app. You can make up to $2,500 per week with this app if you have it downloaded to your phone. So it says here at the top, you can make up to $2,500 per week. All you need is a truck, an SUV, a van, Sprinter van, or even a box truck. So if you have one of those type of vehicle, you can make up to $2,500 per week. However, if you don't have a vehicle, or if you will be using just your car, you can show up as being a helper. You still can apply. Applying to be a helper, you don't need to own a vehicle. Owning a vehicle is not required to become a Lug helper. Just select no for the questions when they ask you, do you own a vehicle or a truck? So let's get into it. So here, to become a Lug app delivery driver, you pretty much put in your first name, your last name, your telephone number, your email, your birthday, and where you're located. They will also ask you, what phone service provider do you deal with? Can you lift up to 100 pounds by yourself? Do you own a truck and you want to use it? Can you work this weekend? So once you fill that out, I would say within 2 to 3 business days, they will be reaching back out to you. Once they reach back out to you, you go ahead and get qualified for it. You can become a partner. You can make up to $2,500 per week. You get paid daily. You're going to be making people happy. You get paid big tips. Pretty much every time you run into a customer, you can do a small delivery, or you can help them out at their storage unit, moving around a few boxes. May take you 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on how much stuff that they have. Each one will actually give you a big tip. I would say anywhere from $25 to about $32 tip. You can also work anytime you want to. It's a great option if you like to do different side hustles and different ways to make some money. So let's take a look and see what cities they're located in. So see a lot of cities that they're located in. So if you're in one of these cities, go ahead and tap in. Reach out to them, start making you some money. Quick, it's easy, and it's fast. Pretty much it's like any other gig app that I talk about here on this channel. Once you qualify, once you sign up for the app, once you're approved, you'll get an alert to your phone anytime there's a job available in your area. You can accept it or you can reject it. It's going to tell you what kind of material you will be dealing with, delivering, moving around, how far it is, where it's located, how much you're going to get paid, and the person you need to speak with. So it's pretty much a place where people come to find help with small deliveries, anything moving around their home or office building. Now, sometimes they may have a job that you might feel that is not worth it. If you feel it's not worth it, don't accept it. Once the app sees that people are not accepting it, they will up the price. So pretty much if someone looking for any type of help around their home, their office, at their moving and storage company, they will reach out to this company, fill out all the questions below, and then reach out to you or send an alert to your phone and you can accept it or reject it. So this first one is with Lug Moving and Delivery. So we're gonna get ready to take a look at this next app that I have for you guys. Okay, so here, what it's talking about is showing you could be doing store deliveries, donation and junk removal, small move, Craigslist purchases. If someone purchases a couch from Craigslist, offer up, let go, they need to deliver it back to their home, they'll reach out to you. You'll get an alert to your phone and you can see what the job is. Pretty much who qualify. Only thing you need to have is an iPhone or even an Android. You must be 18 years or older. You must be physically strong and capable of lifting up to 100 pounds. Now, to be honest with you, you might have an item that's 100 pounds, but most items are not up to 100 pounds. They just want to know if you can lift up to 100 pounds because sometimes you might have to lift something that's 100 pounds. But keep in mind, you will also have a helper with you. So it's not like you will be lifting the whole 100 pounds up by yourself. All your deliveries will not be 100 pounds or more. So you won't have to be worried about doing too much of heavy lifting. And you need great communication skills. So you guys can take a look at the frequent asked questions. I'm not gonna too much bore you guys all night with this all day. So you can check it out yourself. All right, let's take a look around the top, see what else I missed. So you can see who they are partner with. Fast is convenient, get pay rate and tips. All right, let's jump to the next app that I was telling you guys about. The second app is called Can Monkey. And pretty much all you'll be doing is taking a person garbage can or recycling bin from the side of their home to the street and then bringing it back once the garbage man came around to collect the trash. And you can get paid good for doing this. It don't take all day. You won't have to be lifting anything that's heavy. Also, you can make up to $2,500 per week doing this. So anytime someone has a vacation rental or if they're a homeowner and they need someone to take the garbage can out, they'll contact this app, fill in all the information below, and you will receive an alert to your phone. They will give you a route. Now your route might consist of 10, 20, 30 different homes that you have to stop by. It wouldn't take you guys all day to do it. It's fast, it's quick, it's pretty simple, straightforward. So if you want to become a partner, you would tap in to this app and start making some money. So pretty much what you'll do is like the other app. You can download it to your phone. It's quick and it's easy. You can start running today. It says here, just follow the guidelines and get paid. You'll be navigating your services stops in a breeze with the Can Monkey app. Upon arrival at the destination stop, just follow the clear instruction to either remove or return the garbage can. then hit done. Typically, a route includes around 30 to 40 stops. Best of all, you can look forward to payday 3 times a week with CanMonkey. Start earning money today. So let's take a look and see what they're pretty much saying. Okay, and with CanMonkey, you don't have any passengers. It's something you'll be doing by yourself. You'll be in the car by yourself. It's easy work, no passengers. You get paid good weekly, no downtime, and flexible schedule. Take a look at this quick video.
Hi, I'm Alex Shapiro, CEO and co-founder of CanMonkey. Today, I'll be running a route and I want to take you behind the scenes. While running a route, you might come across the cans being stored in the garage. You have in your notes the garage code. Enter the code, open the garage, and that's how you guys get in.
Tap in, y'all. Tap in. It's easy.
Once you took the can to the curb, take a picture of the can and the property, save it in the dashboard, and go to your next property. While running routes with CanMonkey, you'll come across a lot of properties that have gates just like this. Sometimes there's locks, sometimes they get stuck. If they do, just put it in the notes what happened.
Easy, straightforward, fast cash.
The good thing at CanMonkey is that when you're in your car, you don't have anyone else in your car, and you listen to your own music and just kind of jam out. Well, that's the end of the route. Thanks for coming along for a day in the life of a can runner. Go to canmonkey.com for more information.
All right, check out the frequent asked question. What exactly do can runners do? How do can runners get paid? Do I need a vehicle to be a can monkey? What if I can run 1 week? So pretty much you guys can check it out yourself, see how it is. If it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and download this to your phone. You have your different side hustle, new side hustles, and try to stack the apps. The more apps that you use in one time, the more money you get paid. You can do this whenever you want to. So if you already have a 9 to 5, you can do this on your spare time. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hit me up on my next one.